Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another of my JuJuBe faves. I am a lover of Black Diamond, so it's the Black Diamond Super B, and I'm going to show you how my BRB items are going to fit in my Super B. If you are new to my channel and like JuJuBe and mom and lifestyle videos, please be sure to subscribe. And with all that said, let's jump right into the video. So this is the Super B. It comes with these straps. I added the messenger strap to make it more versatile. It comes with 3 pockets in the front. These pockets go all the way down to here. This pocket is it's shorter, smaller rather. It's like the tech pocket. It isn't lined though, but it is like the little tech pocket. And then this one goes all the way down. In the back of the bag, we have this big pocket opening right here. This one doesn't come with a changing pad. And then in the inside of the bag, okay, you have this big pocket here. And then on the other side, you have 2 mesh pockets, large pockets. And that's it for the inside of the bag. Now I'm going to show you how I put all the items in. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with my changing pad. I'm going to put it in the back here. Next, in this bag, I have a change of clothes. I'm going to put it in the pocket there. Next, I have my purse. It's like my mommy bag. And if you want to see all the items that I have in the bags, I do have another video with the BRB, and that I have in the videos. I'm going to put this one in here. It's kind of hard to keep the bag from flopping over. I changed the other one. I put it in the wrong spot originally. Some diaper changing essentials. My swaddle blanket. This is a new addition to my carry-on. This is for my baby. Just got it for her and I love it. I'll put that in here with the other items for the kids. I'm going to put that a little tech bag. I'm going to put in the front here. Some pockets. My little other small set piece. Next, hand sanitizer. Pens. I'm going to put that on the inside pocket here. Baby toys. I'm going to attach to the side of the bag here. Our keys. It actually comes with a key. String here. It's attached to the bag for easy find. Put in there. Bottle of water. Going to put in here on the other side. Okay, my wallet, my go-to wallet. I'm going to put in here. Okay. Now this pocket here in the middle does close. Okay, so I'm actually going to put my wallet in there. My phone will fit there also. So this one zips for safety. Or if I really want to, I can just put it in this pocket in the inside of the bag. I think that's better. Some little hair ties I keep in here. Okay, right towards the end, a little burp cloth. Put in here. And I still have a lot of room, so I can always add my fuel cell in here as well. And I can put it in a more organized way, just so that it's not there right on top. But I'm just going to show you how much space we have. There it is. Okay, it's full. Pretty heavy, if I may add. That's why I like that I got the shoulder strap to go with this. Because the shoulder strap has a nice cushion to help with the weight. Okay. Alright guys, here it is on the body. I got this just to be a add-on to my BRB, just for extra things like if we're traveling or whatnot. I don't think I would use it as my day-to-day diaper bag. It's very heavy. When it's in the backpack, it just seems like it holds a lot more smoother on the body too. There you have it guys, how I pack my Super B with my BRB items. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys!